In the metals quadrant, taking a look at a big drop in the December gold futures contract. Gold had its most significant percentage drop since July 25th today, completing basically a straight down session after two straight sessions of new all-time highs and new all-time high closing prices, and getting near support levels sitting in the middle of that $2,700 handle. The high today, 2801.20. That was up only 0.01%. That's why I called it a straight down session. The low today, 2741.80, was down 2.12%. And with a little bit of time left in the session, we're still down about 1.8%. Gold had been up all week until today, where it now sits with 1 day of trading left, down just short of 0.2%. That would make it the first down week in the previous four. Now, PCE prices were slightly stronger today, lending some question to the Fed's easing trajectory. So that's an inflation reference. Personal spending rose more than expected, with last month's figure being revised higher. At the same time, PCE price indexes were as expected on the headline figures, but the core was up more than expected year over year. Month over month, the core was as expected, but last month's number was revised slightly higher. All of this pushed the probability of a 25 basis point rate cut by the Fed next week above 96%, which is a very reliable probability with so little time left before the actual meeting. Now, profit taking also is in the price action today. When you look at the yields having risen quite a bit this morning, they flattened out as we got into later in the day, with actually the back end being a little bit lower in terms of change on the day. But also some profit taking should be expected given non-farm payrolls tomorrow, that earlier higher yield trajectory, as well as the election next week. So you're looking at a lot of that when you look at the initial volume, and the volume was very strong. Again, initial volume, not official volume. That also all points to profit taking when you're at these levels of highs for a commodity contract.